Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll guide you through managing vendor payments using TEAMWORK.com, the 2025 version. To begin, log into your TEAMWORK.com account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up and create one. It's crucial to have an account to centralize all your payment processes. Up next, navigate to the Projects tab. Here, select the project associated with the vendor you wish to pay. It's important to choose the correct project to avoid any payment confusions. Now that we've done that, click on the Billing tab located under the project name. This is where we manage all financial transactions related to each project. Within this Billing tab, find the Vendor Payments option. Click on it. This is specifically designed for managing payments to your vendors, making it a critical step in this process. Now, you should see a new window where you can add vendor details. Click on Add Vendor. Input all the necessary details like vendor name, contact details, and payment information. Be thorough with the information as it helps in maintaining an accurate payment record. Next up, enter the amount to be paid to the vendor in the payment field. Then set the payment status as paid. This helps us because it allows us to track payments accurately and maintain a clear record of all transactions. Lastly, click Save Payment. This finalizes the payment process and keeps a record of your transaction. It's essential to save your progress after each operation to ensure all changes have been successfully implemented. And there you have it. You've successfully managed a vendor payment using TEAMWORK.com. Remember, regularly updating your vendor payments keeps your financial records clear and accurate, saving you from any future headaches.